Hi and welcome. Thank you for choosing Easy Cloud Manager. If you're new here and unsure about how you can load files, I'm quickly going to be walking you through the process, and hopefully by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to load files in a breeze. So, without further ado, let's get started. Over here, this is the Easy Cloud Manager dashboard, homepage, whatever it is that you want to call it. And you can see that we have a variety of options. If you head over to Cloud File Transfer, you can see there's two buttons here. One is for the source drive and the other is for the target drive. So let's click on our source drive, which for today's tutorial is going to be Dropbox, and click on Load Drive. And then we have to select our target drive, which for today is going to be our Google Drive. And now what you have to do is simply click on the file that you want to transfer. For this video, let's click on Sent Files. And then in our target drive, let's click on the test folder. Once that's done, simply click on Transfer Now, and you've successfully created a task. Now you can head over and check out the progress, and since this was a really small folder, the task executed almost instantaneously. And so, as you can see over here, it says completed. So as you can see, it really was as easy as that. All it takes is a few clicks and a few seconds for you to move one file from one cloud drive to another. We hope that you found this video helpful, and good luck to you on your data transfer adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and talk soon.